Ich schäle Kartoffeln fürs Abendessen.
Ich wollte aber mit meinem Volkswagen spielen. Und außerdem wollte ich Nudeln.
Ja, die Kartoffeln habe ich aber schon gekauft.
Ja, aber ich wollte Nudeln.
Lance, komm doch mal zurück.
Na gut.
Hast du eine bessere Idee?
Ja, was ist mit Goulash?
Na gut. Warte mal, die meisten unserer Zuschauer reden kein Deutsch. Dann müssen wir zurück nach Englisch wechseln.
Na gut. Hallo.
Lance, English?
Oh, sorry. Hello, and welcome back to our channel.
So Lance, you wanted to make goulash?
Yes, the ingredients are this way.
Okay, I guess I'll start with the instructions. Cook pasta according to package instructions, then strain using a strainer.
Add olive oil to a heavy pot or Dutch oven and heat over medium heat. Add onions and a half teaspoon of kosher salt. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until onions are very tender and golden.
Transfer the onions to a separate dish and set aside.
Season the beef with the remaining salt and pepper and transfer to the Dutch oven. Cook over medium-high heat for 5 to 10 minutes or until beef is browned.
Stir in the onions, peppers, tomato, garlic, paprika, marjoram or oregano, caraway, tomato paste, beef broth, and red wine to the pot. Heat to boiling.
Place the lid on the pot so that it's slightly open and steam can escape. Cook for 1.5 hours on simmer until beef is tender.
After this step is completed, stir in the sour cream and garnish with chopped parsley and serve over your noodles which you cooked earlier. Now, let's try it.
Yay!
So, here's your noodles. That's going to be pink. Oh, well, that's like they're all stuck together.
Just put it on my plate.
Okay, that's a lot of noodles.
Not really.
Okay,
They're just all stuck.
there you go.
And here we have our
Goulash.
goulash.
Yes, that's the word. Oh wait, no, it's dripping. Okay. Got it? How about you get a little more sauce? Oh wait, don't forget to top. Whoa. Don't forget. Wait, where's the napkin? Okay. Whoa. Okay. Don't forget to top it with sour cream and parsley if you have it. We're just going to top with sour cream today. Let's mix it all together. By the way, we cut our, like, when we bought our beef, it was like really big.
It
So
was
we
like
just
that,
cut
yeah.
it. Yeah, so we just cut it so that it's more edible size.
Wait, no, I'm not ready.
Oh, you're
Wait,
not ready?
I have a piece of beef.
Okay, have this beef.
Oh, great. Now my noodles aren't cooperating. Come on. There we are. There.
Wait.
Wait, I need a
This
mushroom.
noodle, okay, here. I got
Okay,
a
I'm ready.
noodle. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yummy.
Very delicious. I think the only thing, maybe you can use a little more salt.
I didn't want to go too wild.
Yeah, I guess we can all like top it with salt or something. Please make sure to like our videos, follow us on Instagram or Facebook, and subscribe.
9. Abonnieren!
Lance, English, remember?
Oh, right.